What happened? No. Ah! Ah!
Okay, got anything to add on?
Yes, boss. May I know why you name Renopedia?
That's a very good question. It's because 1,000 years ago,
When Sang Nila Utama found an island so wide and pure, he decided to go explore it. After a major sacrifice of his crown, they finally reached the island.
Finally, we have reached an island. Sir, thanks for sacrificing your crown for our lives.
Yes.
It's okay. I've been wearing the crown for so many years. It's so heavy. No wonder I'm so sharp.
What a wise choice, sir.
Of course, it's a wise choice. But anyway, I've been fighting in the sea for so long. I need to do my big business. I'll be back. Yes, sir.
A few moments later.
Ah!
What happened?
No.
That's fine.
Ah! Ah!
Hey, sir. What happened?
What happened?
I saw a mystical and majestic creature in the forest. A lion.
Lion? Impossible, sir. Here no lion one.
Yeah lah, only the Africa have lions.
Yeah.
No. I saw the lion staring right into my eye.
Huh? Where?
Lion. Don't worry. I already scared the lion off with my shit.
You.
Since this is the first animal I saw on this island, I'm going to name this island Singapura, the Lion Sea.
that's how Singapore got its name.
But I'm asking how.
How Renopedia got its name, right? Because I have the same ambition of Sang Nila Utama when I first started Renopedia. I want to create a one-stop renovation platform. Right? While I was browsing through Wikipedia, now you understand, right?
Oh.
Renopedia wishes Singapore a happy 59th National Day!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.